intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about how I get rid of my dark under eye circles. They're actually not that bad today because I've been hibernating for the past 2.5 days trying to recover from working, but I work night shift, so when I tell you I can get serious dark circles under my eyes, I'm not joking. And they're not Chanel, they're not cute at all. So I actually go through probably a lot more than, I don't know, a normal person would think, but this is what I have found to work the best for getting rid of under eye dark circles and brightening the under eye. So hopefully some of these tips can help you. The first, and I don't want to say most important, but it's such an important step, is to moisturize. When your under eyes are moisturized, it's gonna, increase that collagen, cause it to plump up, so you don't look like you have like sunken eyes underneath. So, and if you want to use a brightening eye moisturizer, that's even better. I like this Origins Ginseng Refreshing Eye Cream to brighten and depuff. So after, I've already have my moisturizer on, but I have been going in with this TULA Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. So I just kind of swipe this under my eyes. I'm wondering if I should do like my normal like under eye routine on one side and not do it on the other, so you can see the difference. Let's do it. Okay, so like you can already tell right now, it does give a brightening effect. Another product I really do like that I was using before that and I still use is the BECCA Anti-Fatigue Under Eye Primer. So next, before my foundation, I like to go in with my TATCHA the Pearl Underlight and Eye Treatment in Moonlight. Okay, where was I? So I'm going to go in with my BECCA the Pearl, and the key to this is you just need the tiniest amount. Yes, I am using the one finger that has no nail on it. Don't judge me. And to blend it out with some sort of sponge. So I'm going to just use my little mini sponge here. Oh my gosh, I didn't mean to put it on this side. Ah! I forgot, like, I'm doing this video for you guys, but I'm also doing it for myself to see if I've been wasting my time all these years by doing this routine. Okay, I do need to put moisturizer down though, because I am extremely dry. Okay, so now I will put on my foundation. Primer, I'm going to use TATCHA the Silk Canvas. I don't know why I'm using a primer when I'm probably just going to be washing this makeup off after this video, but I gotta go through the motions. And I'm going to use Marc Jacobs Remarkable Foundation in Ivory. Can you guys see the difference? I can see the difference so far, but so here, I'm not even done yet. And then here's nothing but just moisturizer. Okay, so before I go in with my concealer, I'm gonna want to use some sort of corrector or brightener or slash both. So some of my favorites are, I really like this NYX Dark Circle Corrector. I have been using this for years. This was like, I just bought a brand new one, like my holy grail under eye corrector for so long. I really, really highly suggest this one. And they have it in all different shades, so this is really bomb. Or, I mean, I got this, it's really dirty, old, but this Wet n Wild color corrector palette for like $5. So if you're trying to get rid of like purplish under eye circles, you're going to want to use like a peach or some type of peach orange color corrector. So what I've been loving for years and recently has been this BECCA under eye brightening corrector. So this comes in 2 shades. It comes in like light, medium, and medium to dark. If you couldn't guess, I got the light to medium. And here's what it looks like. It is just the most gorgeous, like, it's kind of like a salmon color, but it's like, has like a little bit of iridescence to it. Gorgeous. So I take a little bit of this and put it under my eye. I'm just kidding, I put it on my big toe. And then it travels through your bloodstream up into the capillaries under your eyes and get rid of the dark circles. And I'm going to blend it out with that same little sponge. And this is like so high, it's sticky, but it's like really hydrating. And I feel like it helps your concealer go on better as well. Like, look at that. Compared to nothing on here. Oh yeah. So now I'm gonna go in with some concealer. This is my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Fair Warm. Okay, so with foundation, concealer, and powder on, here is what it looks like. It's definitely not as noticeable with the concealer and powder over top of it, but I can notice a difference. I notice this side, my eye looks more lifted, and underneath just looks more youthful and healthy, not as dry, and definitely more brightened. So let me know if you guys can tell a difference down in the comments below. So I'm gonna go finish the rest of my makeup and I will come back one more time. Okay, so I finished the rest of my makeup and I actually did a few things around the house. So it's been about an hour and a half to 2 hours, and I mean, I can definitely notice that this side just seems a lot more awake than this side. I think that if like my under eye circles would have been in like full force, you would have been able to tell a much bigger difference, but because I have had the past few days off and been sleeping, they weren't that bad, so I'm not really noticing that much a difference afar, but I can still tell one up close. Let me know if you guys can tell a difference in the comments. It's hard for me to tell sometimes, like with all these bright lights, if it's showing up on camera the way I'm seeing it in person. But another thing I do want to point out is I also noticed that my like foundation and concealer under my eyes stay on a lot longer when I do that under eye routine, so that is an added benefit to it as well. Alright guys, so that is how I conceal my under eye circles. I hope this was helpful, and I love you guys. I will see you in my next video.